CCTV don't capture armed robbers wey enter a wine shop to go thief. This one happened live for Ikorodu, Lagos. If una see the catastrophe wey these people cause, hey, they enter, they be like 6. I don't even know if I count them very well. Now so they enter, this one carry gun, that one carry gun, that one carry. No be smart, you know. Scatter the whole place. They even carry bottle, break person head. My people no be small something. I say, hey, I must bring her, make una see her. I beg, my Ikorodu people, make una gather here now because this one happen for una side. I beg, put the video, make them watch.
Money bought money bought
Which way we dey go? Make I know which way. Which kind level of malice, abi wickedness be this one to ourselves? Una see wetin I dey talk. Same thing where they talk. We are our own enemies in this country. Leave government, leave this one. We are our own enemies for this country where we dey. If we no fit support each other, we no fit. No, just imagine. Person don't sweat. Person don't pray, don't fast. Manage, raise money, open a small wine store. Una, we give am the money. I don't know whether una even borrow am money. Una don't come back, say una want una share. But I don't even understand, first of all. Wetin be the essence of a CCTV camera? There, all of una go soon leave this camera thing for una. Wetin be the need of CCTV camera? Before they think say if they put camera for one place, if somebody suppose they alert. So that once the thing don't start, they go quickly call person or they go show up. I don't understand. Wetin be the need, essence of this camera thing where they put? Okay, now so that when they don't show the video finish, now go carry and put online. If the reason of the camera one that they put, it not fit stop or be reduce the level of crime, they make them stop they put cameras. Make them stop they put the cameras. Oh yeah, we don't watch the video now. Wetin happen? The one where even they pity Nana, that one where they even break bottle for him head. Hey, Chineke Jehovah. Hey, armed robbers, listen to me. If you dey now look me like that, I know they fear you. If you not say you dey inside this business, see my people. I don't know how many of you go agree with me, but it be like say now their eyes now we supposed to have the target. No be prison matter. That eyes where they use see the place where they go rob. They need to stop seeing it. Waiting. Person no go drink water drop cup. Person no go die before na bury am all in the name of say the country is hard. The country is hard. No, it's soft for us. No, the country is very soft for us. Now why we just dey? You say they can't rob. You have robbed. You are about to rob. Why you not take wetin you won't take then waka comot? You still must you hit somebody on his head. Now my problem where I even get with una armed robbers. It is already enough say they can't rob. You go enter person house, you will either rape the mother, rape the child, or something, or maybe after una take wetin una want, una go start to shoot them. If una don't give it to una get, I beg go now. Seriously, my people, Nigeria is getting not be the one that they talk say out of hand. In fact, Nigeria no get hand again. No, leave out of hand. At least if you say out of hand, meaning say the hand still there, but they come out small. Nigeria no get hand again. I wonder if this country go return the way it did before. Nigeria safe. Tomorrow now. But they go come outside. The country is very safe. All the people outside, come back to Nigeria. Come back home. This is safe. If you know say they watch me, you are outside Nigeria. As long as you are safe, because remain there. Don't try it. Yes, you go just come back, start the sing national anthem. No try am. If you are safe, remain where you are. And my advice for all of you now, anything wey I pray, first of all, I pray say nobody go experience some robbery. Make I get amen from that side. Yes. But if the thing worst, you dey in front armed robber, abeg cover your eye. In fact, lie down, bury your head. No look them. Because they use that thing, they go come, they think say, this one has seen me. If you expose me tomorrow, they go fit use that one shoot you. See that one now. That one where they use bottle breaking head. Now my problem, now why they talk this thing? Armed robbers enter shop, you still sit down like say you dey your parlor. You no go bend down, cover your head. Anyhow, I just hope say they okay, because I know one year say person die or something happen to them. I beg, make una help me check that guy. Very, very important. But my people, now the matter be say people now they use what did they record that? I be English, not be my language. They say they use the video. This video won't watch. They say they want to get their faces. So from their faces they go can't get their names. Then from their names, you already know what it is. We go can't get where they stay and they go they arrested. So if you no subscribe, how you want to know who will they talk about? You don't even know whether na your neighbor, so that you go dey careful. Just click on that thing, so that you go dey updated when next the other part of this matter show up. Very, very important. And share this video so that everybody go dey careful now. Now they work out with 6 eyes. Forget the 2 eyes where you get. Make am 6. Very, very important. And before I go forget this one. Shop owners. Because if before you they close your shop 10 o'clock, reduce it. If it means 6 o'clock, because not be because of 1,000 naira you go risk your life. Close your shop early. May not be say I no talk. I don't tell you now. My people have been made the comments start the row, and as usual, I'm going to run one by one. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for our next story.